Melisa falling asleep during an important lecture. It was Monday morning. Melisa had an important lecture. The lecture was about world history. The professor was very serious. Melisa did not want to be late. She woke up early, but she slept very late the night before. She was watching a movie. The movie was very interesting. She forgot to check the time. She slept only 4 hours. In the morning, she felt very tired. Her eyes were heavy. She drank tea and, after that, coffee. She hoped it would help. She arrived at the university. The classroom was big and bright. Many students were already there. She sat in the middle row. Her friend Sophia sat next to her. "Are you okay?" Sophia asked. "Yes, I think so," Melisa said. The lecture started. The professor began to speak. He spoke slowly and calmly. The room was warm. It was very quiet. Melisa tried to focus. She opened her notebook. She wrote the date. Then she blinked. She blinked again. Her head felt heavy. She tried to listen, but her eyes slowly closed. For a moment, she was asleep. Her head moved forward. Then it moved back. Suddenly, her pen fell on the floor. The sound was loud. Melisa woke up quickly. Everyone looked at her. She felt embarrassed. The professor stopped speaking. "Is everything okay?" he asked. "Yes, sorry," Melisa said quietly. Sophia tried to stay calm. Melisa sat straight. She opened her eyes wide. She took a deep breath. She wanted to stay awake. But 5 minutes later, it happened again. This time, she almost fell from her chair. Sophia touched her arm. "Stay awake," she whispered. Melisa nodded. After the lecture, she felt very tired. "Tonight I will sleep early," she said. Sophia smiled. "No more late movies," she said. Melisa laughed. She learned an important lesson. Sleep is very important, especially before an important lecture. Useful vocabulary: important,
важливий,
late,
пізно,
heavy.
важкий,
Check the time.
перевірити час,
Hope,
надія, сподіватися,
row,
ряд,
quiet,
тихо,
try,
намагатися,
blink,
кліпати очима,
suddenly,
раптом,
embarrassed,
збентежений,
breath,
подих,
touch,
торкатися,
nod,
кивати,
laugh.
сміятися.
Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch what happens to Melisa next.